Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a police complaint online. First, navigate to your local police department's official website. You'll typically find a clear link for online reporting or filing a complaint. It's important to check which types of incidents are eligible for online submission. Usually, these include non-emergency situations like lost property or minor vandalism. This initial step ensures you're using the correct channel for your specific situation. Next, you'll need to provide all the necessary details about the incident. Start by accurately entering your personal information, including your full name, address, and a reliable contact number. Then, describe the event in as much detail as possible, specifying the exact date, approximate time, and precise location where it occurred. If you have information about any suspects or witnesses, include their names and descriptions. Even small details can be very helpful. Before finalizing your complaint, take a moment to attach any relevant supporting documents. This could include photographs, videos, or even screenshots that provide evidence related to the incident. Once attachments are added, meticulously review all the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate and complete. After confirming everything, submit your complaint. You will typically receive a unique complaint or reference number, which is crucial for future follow-up. After submitting your online complaint, it's important to keep a detailed record of your complaint number and any correspondence you receive. You should typically expect a confirmation email or notification within 1 to 2 business days, acknowledging receipt of your report. Be prepared for the possibility that an officer may contact you directly for additional information or to discuss the next steps in their investigation. Your cooperation is vital for a thorough review.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.